What's up, everybody? This is D Money from IWillQuitMyJob.com, and we talking about it today, man. Wholesaling real estate. What is wholesaling real estate? In this video, I'm going to explain it to you real simple, real easy, so you could get into it, man, and start learning the ropes and start on your path in real estate, man. So I'm gonna break this down for you real easy. Stay tuned for the video. Let's get it. Alright, so let's get it. What is wholesaling real estate? Oh, don't forget to like the video, man. Subscribe to the channel. I'm calling this Money Making Mondays. So we're gonna break down simple concepts in real estate with wholesaling, and to get you going and get you on your way, man. So I'm not even gonna hold y'all. We're gonna make this real simple so you can follow, and so you can get into real estate, man, and start making you some money. So what is wholesaling real estate, right? Wholesaling real estate, only thing about wholesaling real estate is that you're finding a distressed property or a distressed situation. Let me repeat that. You're finding a distressed property or distressed situation. There's two things that you can find out when you're looking for houses in real estate. Either somebody's gonna be in a dire situation, whether they got divorced, they got tax liens on the house, and there's certain different type of money situations. They inherited a house, stuff like that, or the house is in distress, meaning that they got tall grass, the windows are broken up, siding is falling off the house, is leaning, in those type of situations, and the homeowner may not have enough money to fix up the home, right? So what they would do is they'll take a cash offer for the home because they may not have the money to fix up the home. And a realtor, they don't really make any cash from those cash sales because they have to sell it at a low price. The realtors are looking for the retail sales so they can sell at a higher margin and make more money. They're only getting 3%. They don't want to deal with that type of stuff and have to sit on the market and stuff like that. So us as wholesalers, we come in, we give them a cash offer, and we help them out of this situation, right? So this is how it go, okay? So here's a home here. Let me put it right here. Here's a home. My drawing ain't too good, so I used to draw back when I was younger. I don't know what happened, man. All right, bam. I don't know if it's like a ghost or a home or something like that, but you get it. This is a house, right? Put a little grass in the front for all the haters, that's your grass. All right, so this home is they have an owner for the home. Let's say we're gonna call this owner John. But John is sad because John has this home and it needs a lot of repairs. It's been vacant and it's just been sitting up, and he don't have the money to fix the home, right? So John doesn't know what to do with this home. He's paying taxes on it, and it's just piling up, and he don't really know what to do with the home. He don't have any renters in it because, remember, this house is distressed. It's broken up. You can't tell right now from this illustration, but this home, just think of this home being a distressed situation. The grass is real high. The windows are broken out, and stuff like that. So John doesn't have the money greenbacks, something like money, to fix up his home, right? So he's starting to get a little bit behind on his taxes and stuff like that. He got his wife, she's beating down his throat. She like John, you need to sell this home. Sell this home. She fussing at him. She's fussing at him, telling him he need to sell his home. But John doesn't know what to do because he cannot list it real a realtor because he doesn't have any money to fix up the home and put it in working condition, have it in the new standards of like a lot of the other homes that's built, that's new, that's selling in his neighborhood, right? So John needs a solution for this home that he doesn't have money to fix up, and he just want to get rid of it and get it off his hands, right? So here is D-Money, the investor. He's driving around the neighborhood. He sees this home. His eyes light up when he sees this home because he knows that he can make money off of this situation. Now, what Investor Daniel has to do, or D-Money, Daniel, he has to find the owner of this home, which is John, right? So what he would do is, Daniel gonna take down in his notes the address of the home, and what he's gonna do something called skip tracing, and he's gonna find the owner of record for the home. And now this is public record. If you're starting out, you don't have no money, you can go to your county, type in your county, put in whatever your county is. We have parishes here, but put in your county and put the address in, and it's public record, and you can find the owner, which is John, right? So now we have a situation where a home that's broken up, high grass and stuff like that. John doesn't have any money to fix this home, so what he needs is a solution to his problem, right? So Daniel the investor finds John's information on the county website. He finds his name, he finds his mailing address, he finds all the stuff like that, because obviously he doesn't stay in this home, right? So maybe it was an old rental property or something like that. So what you do is, and you could go on one of the best ones, free ones that I like to use when I first got started out, is True People Search. TruePeopleSearch.com is one of the best ones. I've seen that they have a lot of accurate information, right? So use them when you're looking for a home, and if you're looking for a homeowner, right? And just take down, what you have to do is, there's a lot of numbers you're gonna have to take down every number and call each one of them. Sometimes it may be the relative or something like that. Just say that you're looking for John, and go from there. So now what Daniel do is, he gets in contact with John, right? He's in contact with John. He's found him on a county website. He found out, okay, this is John. He said, hey John, I seen a property that you own at such and such 123 Main Street, and I was just wondering, would you consider a cash offer for your home? John says, yeah, I would agree to a cash offer, because I got this home just sitting here and it's costing me money and I need to get rid of it. What can you offer me? So Daniel D-Money, the investor, says, hey, you look up certain comparables in the area, and I'll leave a link in the description below on a video on how to find the comparables in the area, right? You say, hey, I'll give you $40,000 for the home. 40K. I give you 40K for it. John says, well, can you do 50K? So what you need to find out is, how much is this home worth, all fixed up? All fixed up. That's what you need to find out. How much is this property all fixed up, right? So you can't find out, like the homes in this area are selling for 200K, right? So if I fix this up and this is run down and everything, it needs 60K in repairs. So 200 minus 60 repairs. My marker going out. John wants 40 for the house. So is this a deal? But before we do that, let's go back to the, okay, D-Money Investor doesn't have 40K, doesn't have 50K, right? So what he needs to do is, he needs to find another investor, CRAD, the investor. CRAD is doing flips in this area, and he's moving a lot of properties. So what D-Money Investor will do is, he goes into the contract with John for either 40 or 50K. Let's just say 40K. Say we can't do 50K, we could do 40. John accepts his price. He said, okay, I accept your price. Now you have 30 days to try and market this property to sell to someone, but you're not selling the actual property. What you're selling is your rights to be in the deal. You're part of the contract. So you're really just selling a piece of paper, your contract, and being in the deal. So you go to a CRAD, the investor, and say, hey CRAD, I got this house that I'm under contract with. I was just wondering if you're looking for more properties in the area, and would you like to take my place in this deal? CRAD says, sure. How much? You tell CRAD 50K. 50K. CRAD says, okay, how much the house is worth? He go do his due diligence. He say, whoa, the house is selling for 200K. I know the area. So for CRAD, it's going to be a deal, because you subtract this 260 minus 40, you still got 100K in equity. This is 100K in equity. CRAD to take that all day long, because they're going for 200. You still got 100K in equity. But hold up. Remember, CRAD is gonna buy it for 50. So take over 50. Is it still a deal? Take away that 0. So you're gonna take away the 60. The 260, you got 40. Then you take away the 40 and the 50, you still got 90. 90K in equity. Any investor only looking for like 30 to 40%. Sometimes not even that much, 25. Depends on the market. So an investor would take this all day long. Now you're trying to wonder, like, okay, how does D-Money Investor get paid from CRAD the investor? CRAD was going to give 50K. So he's taking D Money's place in the deal. So 50 minus 40. 40 goes to John. The 50 goes to the title company. When you close the deal, from you orchestrating the deal, you get 10K in the middle. You get the difference. So you take the 10K from orchestrating the deal because you assigned the deal over. You set up everything. You set up the other investor. You set up John. So just from you orchestrating the deal, being the middleman, you get the cut in the middle. And that's all wholesaling is. You take your 10K check, wash, rinse, and repeat. So man, it's just very simple, man. If that was informative enough for y'all, I will leave it in the description. I'll leave some steps in the description so you can follow along. Maybe you can write them down and stuff like that. So if you get stuck, you can use that, and I'll leave some links to resources that I use. I use batch skip tracing for my leads and stuff like that. If you have a little money and you want to say, hey, let me try a batch, go ahead on and do it. They're pretty reasonable, and you use my discount code, quit your job, and you can get something off on your skip tracing, man. So if you think that that video was informative, it helped you in any kind of way, just leave me a like below. Let me know where y'all from, man. What area y'all in, so we can link up and do some deals together, man. As you getting started, man. If you need some help, leave the questions below. So it's D Money from IquitMyJob.com. Y'all have a good one. Peace.